Hi guys, Chloe here, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a little bit different. It is a DIY denim jacket. I say DIY, we're literally just ironing on some patches, but I just thought I would show you guys me doing it. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. So basically, when I went travelling, I went to Australia, New Zealand and Thailand. I picked up patches from nearly every place I went to. There's a couple of places where I couldn't, especially in Thailand, so I just got one, like Thailand, like the country of Thailand on a patch. You'll see it in a minute. And then yeah, just a few in from New Zealand and quite a few in Australia. So the plan was always to iron them onto my denim jacket, and it has literally been about 3 or 4 years since I got back from travelling, and I haven't done it. So today I was like, I'm gonna do it. Why not? I'm trying to keep busy in isolation, and I just thought, what a great thing to do. So here is the finished product. I put all of my patches on the back. You can put them on the front as well, but I just wanted to put all mine on the back, and then maybe if I go travelling again I might buy some more and put them over like the front and stuff. But I also just had a few little like what do you call it, pin badges that I just put on the front just for a little something. So yeah, that's my denim jacket there, and I'm really happy with it. I used Pinterest to kind of get some inspo. I'll just insert a little clip here or somewhere of me just looking on my Pinterest board. But yeah, it's all finally done, so keep watching to find out what I did and how I went about it. So the first thing you do is lay down your denim jacket on the ironing board and sort all your patches out. Make sure that it's flat so that you get a nice even slate to kind of work with, and then it's kind of about trial and error at this point. Just place all your patches down where you want to put them, kind of move them around just until you're 100% happy with the look of it. Basically, you can see here that I've literally moved them around loads. I've been using my Pinterest board to look at just to get some inspo and stuff. So yeah, just keep doing that. I decided to put all of my patches on the back of my jacket rather than the front and the sleeves, just because I just kind of preferred the look of that. But obviously it's up to you how you would want to lay out your jacket or denim jeans or whatever you're choosing to put your patches on. Okay, so once you were happy with the placement of all of the patches, I took my phone and I took a photo of them, so that then when I took them all off, so that I had a nice clean slate to iron with, I just referred back to the photo for where I put them. And then yeah, just literally iron those bad boys on. I kind of put the iron on it for around 10 to 20 seconds, and then just made sure that it was on once I kind of after I'd finished. I kind of just checked that the edges were all stuck down, because you don't want them peeling off. So yeah, just keep ironing away. As you can see, I am referring back to my picture here just so that I knew where to put them all. Then once I had ironed it all on, I turned it inside out and just ironed from the inside, just to make sure it was 100% stuck down all over, because I didn't want any of them falling off, obviously. I just had some patches that were just left over that I'd collected, so I just popped, not patches, sorry, badges. I just popped them on the front of the jacket just to add a bit of something to the front. Yeah, then we're basically done. This is the finished product. So easy to do, and it just looks so great afterwards.